Hey YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. This morning we hiked Wild Horse Ridge in the Spring Mountains of Nevada. Instead of completing the full loop through Wild Horse Canyon, we chose to focus on the ridge route and enjoy the incredible views along the way. Be sure to check the description below, where I'll include links to videos from our previous hikes on this trail. We hiked the ridgeline to its highest point at 9,000 feet and were rewarded with breathtaking drone views. Enjoy these stunning DJI Avata 360 aerial perspectives, showcasing the beauty of the spectacular ridge in the Spring Mountains. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Aloha!